up, kitties? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this ombre look. So I'm starting off with my little fake finger that I got from AliExpress. I stuck on the nail with those press-on nail tabs. I will leave all links in the description box below. Your girl's using Beetles gel polish, guys. Yes, I really do like Beetles. It's really smooth. Like, it's really good. The colors are great. It's a good investment and it's at a good price point. So go on Amazon, check out the Beetles, try one of the sets for yourself. They have sets for like $16.99 or even cheaper than that sometimes, and you get maybe a set of 4 or 5 or whatever. Really good. So I'm going in with these two Beetles colors. I will leave the link again, like I said, in the description box below. And I put one color on one side and another color on the other, and then I go in with my ombreing brush to ombre the middle. You'll see me going back in with the colors, just trying to perfect that ombre look. And basically that's how you do it, guys. You do it until you if it's on yourself or you are satisfied, or the client you're doing is satisfied with the ombre effect. And this works really well. I ombre with acrylic, but ombreing with the gel polish is actually pretty dope too. So either or is fine. So if maybe you don't have maybe colored acrylics, but you do have a good amount of gels, you can do an ombreing nail design for a client using the gels. The brush I got, I believe it was AliExpress. I cannot remember, but I will go look on Amazon for an ombreing brush, only because AliExpress, if you don't have the patience to wait 3 months, yeah. And I'm starting to run out of patience for certain things, because AliExpress I've ordered a lot from them, and tracking where your stuff is. Some sellers, not all, some sellers don't give you accurate shipping like numbers, tracking numbers. Like, it's a lot, but they do respond to you, and if you are persistent, they do give you your refund. Because I believe when you open up disputes on AliExpress, it's like a rating kind of thing. It kind of messes up that individual store on the AliExpress website. So they kind of want to make sure that people are satisfied, kind of thing. So yeah, I'm going to find it on Amazon. You may have to pay more, but you'll get your item way sooner. So yeah, ombreing really nicely until I got that like pale purple effect in between the blue and the pink, which I liked. And then I'll be adding in my gold foil for a little extra pizzazz. And then I go in with that iridescent-ish glitter. I put that on as well. Now, the reason I recorded this video is because I have a client coming in that wants this ombre type look that I decided to practice. And then I said, hey, why not just record it so other people can see a really cute, simple, fun design that they can do on themselves or on their clients. So yeah, the little gold foil, of course, is extra because, you know, your girl is, well, extra. And I like being extra. So a little gold foil, a little glitter, can't go wrong with either or. Okay, my beautiful kitties, so I'm going in with my iGel Beauty No Wipe top coat. I am loving this top coat. It's a thick top coat. It's really shiny. It's really sparkly. Not sparkly, you know what I mean. Must have. But of course, I have to drop in some of the new and beautiful things that are on my Kitty Claws website. Guys, please go check out my website. That is KittyKlaws.business. The link is always in the description box below. These are just some of the new items I have added to my website. So you guys know I love my glitters, but you guys also know I love my rhinestones. So I decided to add some stones to my website. I have a few more that I need to add. Well, a lot more actually that I'm adding. But these that I'm showing are on the website right now, ready for you guys to purchase. I also have some beautiful nail stickers. I love this butterfly sticker. I'm going to do a video showing you guys how to use it. Also, of course, Kitty Claws' custom mix glitters. So yeah, guys, go check out my website, please. That's KittyKlaws.business. That's KittyKlaws.business. Anyway, back to the video. This is the end result of that beautiful ombre look. I love it, love it, love it, and I hope my client loves it when I do it on her for real. Anyways, thank you guys. See you guys next time. Love you, kitties. You are the best. We almost are up to 1,000 subs, and once we get there, there will be a giveaway. Bye, kitties.